making slime today. You tell them the steps.
First, you have to open up the glue. And you have to pour 3/4 of this in there.
Good grief, what thing? What smells, Mama? I just poured some boiled eggs out.
There.
That I found in the...
Okay. So how many will be pouring each bowl?
3/4.
Okay. 3/4.
If you want to, we could double the slime.
Yes,
How's the job search coming? Well, we don't ask that. Mike, it's fine. Circling a few things.
it's like that's 3/4. A little bit more.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Well, that's a generous offer,
There.
but more kids wrap.
3/4 in yellow.
I think I just got it. So you're just gonna continue your life of leisure, huh? Congratulations, Mikey. You got yourself one of them trophy wives.
I got a feeling it's gonna look weird when it's done. Set it all out. There.
There.
Okay. Next step.
Now,
What's the next step?
next up, we are going to open up our baking soda.
Okay.
My hands have glue on them.
Are we gonna put a tablespoon or something?
Yes, say a tablespoon of baking soda.
Okay. Or just put that in each one of ours.
I'm pretty sure we needed just 1 spoon for this.
1 spoon. Just a spoon. Okay. Spoon of baking soda. See that? A spoon of baking soda.
And then mix. I'm gonna mix this all in. So you see, no more baking soda.
Couldn't take it. I'm not saying you wouldn't have a few shots, Sam, but my mom's like 30. If she got you on the ground, it's over. You think you're doing good? Of course I do. If you ever make an progress, and you're done designing.
And
Now, draw that mixing.
okay. My turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix.
Make sure you get it all in there. Even the side.
If that's what I get, then it goes to the side, huh? No more baking soda. Almost. That good?
Yep.
Next step.
Is contact solution. Should you screw this off? It doesn't pop. It pops.
Okay, I got it.
And you just gotta add just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh crap! I forgot to put the color dye in. But of course, you could just do not mix it yet and put color dye in.
Yes, that is if you mess up like her.
Yeah, just do not mix yet.
Okay, now we're fixing to add the food color. So
this is red, yellow, green, and blue.
okay, which one are you going to use?
Blue.
Okay.
I'm only going to do 2 drops
Okay.
because you only need 2 or 3 drops, or it will come off on your hand.
Awesome.
Mix this all in there. It's gonna be so cool. I might need one more drop of